Today I'm revealing the top 5 best truck bed extender for long trailers to see which one actually holds up when you're hauling lumber, ladders, kayaks, that 16-foot pipe that definitely doesn't fit in a short bed. I went through the best sellers on Amazon, looked at build quality, weight capacity, adjustability, and how annoying they are to install. And yeah, I dropped all 5 product links in the description below if you want to check current prices. Let's get into it. Number 5 is the Max Haul Truck Bed Extender. This is basically the original gangster. You have seen this one everywhere for a reason. It is the cheapest one on the list, it is super simple, and it just works. So this fits a 2-inch receiver, you slide it in, 4 quick-release clevis pins, and you are done. No tools needed. It adjusts in length and width, so you can get it to fit different loads, which is nice. It comes with a red flag and reflective tape for visibility. And the side arms fold down so you can actually use it as a little portable work area. I did not expect that, and honestly, that is pretty clever. On the road, it does the job for light stuff, ladders, a few 2x4s, a kayak. But you can feel it. If you really load it up with heavy lumber, you get some flex. And it does not come with a hitch stabilizer, so you get that classic rattle and clunk over bumps. Still, for occasional Home Depot runs, it is totally fine. Pros: super affordable and proven design. Fold-down arms become workbench. Quick 4-pin tool-free assembly. Cons: noticeable hitch wobble and rattle. Feels less sturdy under heavy lumber. Number 4 is the JY Performance Truck Bed Extender. The title says 375 pounds capacity, but if you read the description, it says 750 pounds distributed load, so Amazon listings are a mess. Just know it is in that 750 range for distributed weight. But check the seller specifications. Build-wise, it is heavy-duty steel, black powder-coated, feels really solid in hand. I found the adjustability is width 28.25 to 48.25 inches, height 15 to 23 inches, so it covers most trucks, vans, and sport utility vehicles with a 2-inch hitch. It has a 2-in-1 foldable design, so you can run it horizontal as a bed extension or flip it up. What I like is the safety stuff. It actually comes with a flag and reflective tape that looks decent, not cheap. And the locking design really helps reduce wobble. It feels more secure at night, and on rough roads, cargo stays put. Downside, it is heavy, about 13.4 kilos, so around 29 pounds, and the instructions are terrible. Like, translated at 3 AM, terrible. You will figure it out, but give yourself an extra 10 minutes. Pros: feels really solid and stable. Flag and reflective tape included. Folds flat for easy storage. Cons: pretty heavy at 29 pounds. Instructions are confusing. Number 3 is the Ecotric Truck Bed Extender. This is the most popular one if you have ever searched truck bed extender on Amazon. It has been around since 2016, and there is a reason for that. It is the classic 2-in-1 design that everyone copied. You can use it horizontally to add about 4 feet to your bed, or flip it vertical and it becomes a goalpost rack up over your cab. That is perfect for long trailers, canoes, 20-foot pipes, ladders. It is made of impact-resistant, durable steel, fits 2-inch square receivers, and you can use it on 1 1/4 inch with an adapter. The numbers are adjustable, height 8.5 to 17 3/8 inches. Adjustable width 28 1/8 to 47 7/8 inches. Total height 21 to 29 inches. And vertical installation height 56.46 to 62.46 inches. So huge range. 750 pounds capacity, 4 quick-release clevis pins, no tools needed. It extends your truck bed for longer and bigger payloads. And it comes with reflective tape and flag on front and sides. What is the catch? The powder coat can chip if you are rough with it, and the width adjustment is a little stiff the first time. You kind of have to muscle it, but once you set it, it stays. Pros: true 2-in-1 horizontal and vertical. Huge height range for tall loads. Proven 750 pounds capacity. Cons: paint can chip over time. Width adjustment stiff at first. Number 2 is the Mockins Truck Bed Extender. Right away, this one feels more premium. And here is why. You open the box, and you actually get everything. Extender, hitch stabilizer, ratchet straps, red flag. You do not have to go buy extras. Adjustability is better than Ecotric too. Width from 28.5 to 50.5 inches. height 21 to 28 inches horizontal, or 68 to 75.5 inches vertical. So if you have a wider truck or you want to go over the cab for kayaks, you get more room. It is heavy-duty steel with anti-rust coating, 750 pounds distributed, and that stabilizer is a game-changer. It kills like 90% of the rattle. When you are driving at 60 with lumber, you feel the difference. It is quieter, more planted. It folds up, fits a universal 2-inch receiver, and they give you a 10-year warranty, which is insane at this price. Cons: it is £31, so not light to carry around, and the ratchet straps included are just okay. If you are hauling kayaks long distance, I would upgrade the straps. Pros: includes stabilizer and ratchet straps. Widest adjustment range in list. 10-year warranty is crazy. Cons: included straps feel a bit cheap, heavier to carry around. And number 1 is the PENSUN truck bed extender. This is the one I keep coming back to. Why? 800 pounds capacity. That is the highest in this list. And for long trailers and heavy lumber, that extra capacity is peace of mind. So 2-in-1 design adds another 4 feet to your vehicle loading length. As long as there is a 2-inch square hitch receiver, it will fit any short bed truck, van, sport utility vehicle. Adjustable width, 27.56 to 45.28 inches. Adjustable height, 18.13 to 27.17 inches. So good helper for long-distance loading. Works for ladders, racks, canoes, kayaks, long pipes, lumber. Here is what I really like though. Unlike other extenders, which need a pin to be fixed at the bottom horizontal position, this one is directly fixed in one piece at the bottom. So it is more stable and sturdy, less sway. When you load it up, it does not feel sketchy. It is high-quality alloy steel, standardized production, black painted with anti-rust paint. It is super simple to assemble. Instructions are in the 2 small boxes with the pins you can attach to hitch in a few minutes and fold the extender when not in use for space saving. And more safe, reflective red and white tape adds visibility. Pros: highest 800 pounds weight capacity. One-piece fixed design feels super stable. Folds flat in 2 minutes. Reflective tape for night safety. Cons: heavier than aluminium options. No stabilizer included in box. If you want cheapest for occasional use, go Max Haul. If you want best safety extras and reduced wobble out of the box, JY Performance. If you want the tried and true classic 2-in-1 that everyone buys, Echo Trick. If you want the best all-around kit with stabilizer and straps included, Mockins. But if you are asking me what is the best truck bed extender for long trailers, for long lumber, heavy loads where you need stability and capacity, I am picking the PENSUN 800 pounds. Hopefully this helped you decide which one fits your truck and what you're hauling. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.